The age and growth of the Paxton and Gallagher Company, organized in 1869, has been parallel with that of Omaha. Several large blocks of buildings are now required to house the various departments of this venerable concern. One of the most important departments is the one devoted to the manufacture of butternut coffee. The most select raw coffees from Central and South America are brought to Omaha to make up the 20 different varieties that go into the butternut blend. Raw coffees are stored by butternut in mellowing houses owned by the company. In one mellowing house alone are stored thousands of bags of raw coffee selected to perfect the blend. These are allowed to blend and mellow for months before roasting. When the blending period is ended, samples are taken by the buying and blending expert. A brew made from the roast of the samples is then carefully taste tested by the expert to make sure that the blend is perfect for butternut quality. The coffee is now ready to be roasted and is poured into a hopper which feeds a battery of the latest type gas roasters. When done, it is poured into wire mesh containers to cool. When cool, the coffee is ground for either regular or drip grind. There is a great difference in the butternut packing line of only 7 years ago and the line of today. Now, an automatic machine fills and weighs the 1-pound cans, which are then conveyed to a huge vacuumizer, where the air is sucked from the cans of coffee and the lid sealed in one continuous operation, thus keeping the coffee roaster fresh until the can or jar is opened. Larger sizes require other vacuumizers. Butternut was the first to use the now famous Duroglass jar for packing coffees. All machine operations are controlled electrically by pressing the proper button. Jars require a special type vacuum machine which even screws on the jar lid while drawing the air from the filled jar of coffee.